Hi guys, so today on She Cooks It All, we are going to cook this delicious, easy chicken and vegetable stir fry with egg noodles. Let's go. So here are the ingredients. I'm going to have them listed below, so always check the description box and you will find everything there. Okay guys, the vegetable I use is just a choice. You can use whatever vegetable you like. We start up with spicing our chicken, and here I'm using just a plain all-purpose seasoning, and we are going to cover this properly. You can use your hand or not. I did not want to use my hand. And make sure all the chicken pieces are covered with the spice. Once that's done, we are going to go ahead and add our corn flour or cornstarch, and again give this a good mix so that each and every piece is covered with this cornstarch. Set this aside. You can put this in the fridge to marinate if you like for about half an hour to an hour, but as it's a video, we are going to cook straight away. Okay, my vegetables are already nice and sliced here, and again I'm just coming back to show you the vegetable that I'm using. You can use whatever vegetable, whichever one you like. Okay guys, so now let's make our stir fry sauce. I have some vegetable stock, and I'm adding in soy sauce and a little bit of worcestershire sauce, and again corn flour or cornstarch. Give this a good mix. All the measurement will be down in the description below guys, so check that out. Okay, mix this well, and also once mixed, set it aside, and now let's cook. You need to have your or a little bit of oil in the pan, and the oil need to be super hot because we are stir frying this one. So my maximum is 9, so I'm cooking this on 8. Okay, we are going to fry the chicken. Make sure you separate them so they are not stewing or releasing water. Your pan and oil should be really hot. Okay, we are going to fry this until the chicken are fully cooked. It took me about 10 minutes because this is just chicken fillet, so they cook faster. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to prep our egg noodle, and this egg noodle I'm just prepping them as per packaging instruction, which was just to cover them with boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes, separate them, and then they will be ready to use. So once we do that guys, yeah, I'm separating the noodles here, and then I'm going to drain all the water, set them aside, and then they will be ready to use to put in our stir fry. Always look at your packaging instruction as I said guys. Okay, so our noodles are nice and ready. To avoid them from sticking, I just rub them with a little bit of oil and then set them aside. Okay, back to our chicken. The chicken at this stage was fully cooked. I was just turning it as the noodle was being prepped. The chicken is really nice and ready, no water or anything, so we are still frying. Can you see how juicy and delicious they look already? Okay, now time to add in your vegetable. I like to add in my vegetable according to how cooked I like the vegetable. So I start with the mushroom because I want them to cook fully, and then I will be adding in, stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes after each addition. If you like your vegetable with a little bit of a bite, you can just add them all in and give them a little 2 to 3 minute frying. But because I like mine in stage, so I start with the one I like to be fully cooked to the one I like to have a bite. Okay, so after each addition, stir fry. At this stage my pan was getting small. Oh dear, don't do the same mistake, but yeah, I needed to change this so that everything can fit. Okay, I'm just using now like a cast iron pan, which was big enough. Perfect. Let's continue cooking. Again, my heats are still on high, so kind of medium to high now. Fry until your vegetable are cooked to your liking. Okay, now in goes our pepper. I'm just going to fry this for about a minute or two. I don't like soggy peppers, I like them to have a bite. Same with the onion, so I'm gonna fry this for another minute or two, and turning occasionally. Don't worry about the pan turning brown. That brown stick in the pan, when we'll add in the sauce, it will create magic. Okay, in goes our garlic and ginger paste, and once I add this in, I fry just for about 30 seconds. Look at that, it's looking good. Again guys, that browning on the bottom of my pan, Trust me, it creates magic stock. Okay, now we go in with our noodles and we are frying this, and I think I added this in about 3 stages. So add in first, then mix well. Once it's well combined, add in again. I avoid to add in all at the same time, it's just create a mess. So add your noodles in, into batches until everything is nice and combined. So you add in, fry for about 30 seconds, mix well, add in again until everything is nice and in the pot. And then we are going to fry the noodle for another 1 to 2 minutes because we just want to heat them up, really not to overcook them. And if you have watched us until this far, tell us where you are watching us from in the comments below, guys. We would like to know where you watch us from. Okay, another method to do stir fry if you are scared like everything is going to be mushy is to give your pan a good shake like that. That always does the trick. And now we are going to go ahead and add in our sauce. Ooh, this was so good, guys. Add in your sauce and then mix this well. You want everything to be coated with this sauce, guys. Mix well and fry for another minute or two until the sauce is fully cooked and it has thickened nicely. Okay, and now we are going to add in the last step is just to add in my spring onion. This is optional. I add it last. Switch off the heat and just allow the heat of everything to kind of cook this up. Don't forget to like, leave us a comment and subscribe, because I believe if you've watched till this far, you are loving the video and the recipe. So please subscribe, share, like and comment. Okay, now our food is ready. Time to plate this. This is so delicious, guys. I hope you are inspired and I hope you will come back and watch more. This was so good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.